Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by positioning the can and the opener precisely. This matters because alignment ensures a clean cut and prevents spills. Once plugged in, lower the clamp or press the engage lever. The motor will spin the blade around the rim. You'll hear a steady whir. Keep steady pressure so the opener tracks the edge. Make sure to release only after rotation stops, because premature release can leave jagged edges and waste contents. Once the blade is engaged, monitor sound and movement to control the cut and prevent jams. If you hear grinding, stop and realign. The blade should ride the rim, not bite into the side. Use short pauses if the opener struggles. This reduces motor strain and keeps the cut smooth. Make sure to hold the can steady. A wobble creates uneven lids. When the rotation finishes, lift the lever carefully to avoid sharp edges and spilled contents. You finish by lifting the clamp and removing the lid. Use the built-in magnet or a utensil so you don't touch the sharp edge. Then unplug and wipe the blade and housing to remove residue and prevent corrosion. If the opener won't cut, troubleshoot. Make sure it's plugged in, test on another can, and inspect the blade for dullness or bent parts. Worn blades are the most common failure, so replace the blade if cuts are jagged or the motor strains.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.